Welcome back or welcome.
You hate me, don't you?
I'm so sorry for tricking y'all. I didn't expect it to get that much traction as it did, but we're playing YouTube's game. But anyways, if you didn't notice the background, we're back at Brian's shop. We're gonna work on the Miata this week, and I'm very excited.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
If you didn't watch the video a couple weeks ago, I explained that we couldn't be in here because basically it was too cold. But we're finally getting some warmer weather. Back with the car, she still needs to be sanded all the way down. And to do so, we need to remove and tape off some moldings. So we're gonna start off by removing this pesky door one, which there's a clip on the side right here and a little button clip right there. And we just yank it off.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Yeah. Got that, baby. Let's get this side off as well. Yeah. Jordy made a lot of progress with the window glue. So we have to pull the pillars. Got the middle one down. Just had to remove the interior light, which there's 2 tabs on the light that you just push in and it just pops right down, and then there's 2 screws.
Sorry, I don't speak Italian.
Ew, spider. Ah. Back. I'm gonna see if I can figure out take this off next.
I'm too motivated!
So I did manage how to figure this out. There is a screw that goes in between the molding. Well, look at that.
Go, Kylie, go!
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now that all the molding is removed, glue is removed, it's time to hit the windshield rust. Ta-da! That's as much as we got done today because all our batteries are dead and the charger is at Jimmy's. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning! We are back at the shop, Brian's shop to be exact. We'll finish up the windshield. Jordy's gonna be doing that while I tape off this back molding.
Kylie.
Hi.
Kylie, I did it.
Yeah?
I did it.
All ready for rush trap. I'm almost done taping.
It's taking forever.
Listen, it's gotta be precise. While I finish this up, Jordy is gonna go ahead and hit the rockers with the orange wheel. Get that over with. And once I finish this up, I'll start sanding and start time-lapsing. If you ever take your car to a body shop, make sure you get an invoice of everything that was done. Do not be like me. Do not make the same mistake because I am discovering every up that this old shop did when they did my paint job the first time. So there is a high-low spot right here that I'm gonna try and flatten out. So wish me luck. Not gonna lie, I am having a bit of trouble, so I'm just gonna leave it for now and hit the rest that needs to be hit. We're honestly gonna be sanding for the majority of today, and next door is doing God knows what, but they're super loud. So instead of just bombarding you guys with time lapses, we will be back once we finish what we gotta do to the car today, or if anything interesting happens.
I noticed something interesting. Do you see it, Kylie? Do you notice it?
No.
Yeah, it's funny. Because you're wearing my goddamn sweatpants.
I regret spray painting it. Now that the car is all sanded down, we can finally move on to the next step, which is rust trapping and body work. We're just gonna rust trap for today because I'm gonna single him out. Jordy's birthday is tomorrow, so we are going to an art show tonight. So we have to add our good friend rust trap to the windshields area and just apply it to the rockers. Call it a day. Got Jordy
Clean.
the lovely acetone. But like I said, we gotta do this quick, so. Nice. All ready for the recal, guys, to plug my windshield back in. Hit the rockers too. Now I'm gonna go get changed and off to the art show we go, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's finally spring and it's Jordy's birthday. Happy birthday! And we are celebrating by heading down to Brian's shop to hopefully prime my car by tonight. Now, him and Kaylee were kind enough to do my body work while we were at the art show last night. So let's go meet them at the shop and see what progress has been made. We made it to the shop and Kaylee, you want to tell us what got done last night?
So we actually ended up sanding your whole car again with 180, and then we kind of just went over it and found all the significant dents, and Brian filled them. Thank you, Brian, for all of your effort.
Thank you.
Very good, Brian. And we took out your antenna.
I was telling Jordy last night, I was like, I want to figure out how to take that
It's
out.
literally one 10 mil, one bolt, and then on the top there was like a weird little thingy. I don't know about that. Brian took it out. Now we just have to finish the really big dent right there. Brian found that, and he's like, well, we might as well fix it because it's the only dent left in the car. So while that dries, then we're gonna tape it up. Prime the thing, yeah.
So while this spot is still drying, I already blew off the rest of the car. I'm gonna wipe it all down with glass cleaner, besides that spot, of course, just to knock it all out of the way. All wiped down for the most part. Besides this door. We'll do that in a little bit. Right now, taking off all the old tape. It's gotta get retaped. Okay, so a lot has gone down in the past 30 minutes. Brian finished sanding the door that needed to be sanded, wiped it down, blew it off, and now we are taping.
Still not.
Now it's time for the fun stuff. Now let's go see the new primer I had to buy. Hero Prime.
Goopy. Usually put it on the ground and hold it in between my feet.
Forgot to take this out. Instrument. I'm all ready. I'm gonna let Brian hit all the spots I missed.
You're good. Oh, wait a little bit.
And here is the final product. Looks so good, one color now.
Good job, everybody.
Yay! I'll pass on the back. We gotta let it cure overnight, so we'll be back tomorrow to block it. Don't get too excited, guys. We are not here to sand the primer today. As you guys know, it is very moist in the shop. So we have to leave it for another day just to make sure. I don't want to start sanding it and then find a moist spot and then I f myself. So
Your pubes.
this was another chaotic video, of course. I feel whenever it comes down to painting, prepping a car, it's always going to be chaotic. There's just no helping it. There's always an inevitable that happens and so much more. So we primed the car! We started the video with us hitting the windshield, getting all the rust taken care of. Then, while we went to the art show to celebrate Jordy's birthday, Kaylee and Brian were here working more on the car. They sanded it down more. I might have only sanded it down 400, but it's fine. It's fine, it got done. Brian also laid down the bodywork. And you guys notice,
Look at the corner.
my fender actually looks like a fender again. He made my straight.
Brian is really good at what he does.
Body guy brought. Same with my door. My door had a bunch of dents in it. This side isn't as bad as the passenger side door was, but all the holes are filled. Wink, wink. I think I mentioned earlier too that
I don't think so.
Kaylee got a job at a shop, so we are gonna bring the kit there, the wing, my door panels, and the headlight covers, because if you didn't notice, the headlight covers did not get primed with the rest of the car. That's because we didn't really have anywhere to hang it, so it's fine, it's gonna get done, whether it be later on this week or next. Stay tuned. Thank you to everyone who ordered a t-shirt and the gloves. Gloves were sent out if you didn't order them with the t-shirts already, but the tees are processing. Gloves are still live on the site, and I did order an extra quantity of the shirts for anyone that missed it. They'll be live on the site soon enough, so be on the lookout. I want to end the video giving a big thank you and shout out to not only Jordy for letting us do this on his birthday, but especially to Brian and Kaylee, because we wouldn't have been able to do this without their help. Until then, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.